What do you call yourself? Are you a farmer?
Marvin.
Marvin the farmer?
Wannabe. Hi, Marvin Moore. I'm a part-time rancher, farmer, raise vegetables, and cattle and horses. But yeah, we trying this out, and it is pretty nice for being able to see here rather than always turning around backwards and see anything running out. And this on the Rotary cutter here, it would be good for backing up, which is a lot of times we have blackberries and things that just become overgrown. So you can raise it up, back up, and see where you're going without having to turn around. And that's pretty handy. Yeah, I don't know, it seems like a pretty good equipment to have if you're going to do a lot of it, especially. And it's handy if I don't do a lot of it and don't know what I'm doing.